So today I'll be showing you how to fix pairing issues of your JBL Clip 5. So if you're trying to pair your JBL speaker to your phone and you're encountering problems, so for instance, if you come here to the Bluetooth settings and I'm trying to connect my JBL Clip 5 and I'm having trouble, one of the things you can do is to forget device. Okay, so make sure you forget device and then you can turn the speaker off, turn it back on, and make sure it's in pairing mode by pressing the Bluetooth button. Okay, so let's turn it on. You can tell it's in pairing mode because it's going to blink rapidly. Now, on your Bluetooth settings page, you should be able to detect it. Now, if you still can't find it, then you might want to also hard reset the JBL Clip 5. And you can do that by pressing and holding the play and the plus button simultaneously. Just press and hold those two buttons until the speaker turns itself off. It's going to be about 5 to 10 seconds. And then now you can turn it back on. And then having forgotten the device, you can now start looking for it again. Now, if that still doesn't work, you might try turning Bluetooth off and on your phone. So turn it off and then turn it back on. And then as long as the speaker is in pairing mode, it should get detected by your phone. And eventually you should be able to find it and then pair. Okay, so that's basically how you can go around fixing pairing issues of your JBL Clip 5. Thanks for watching and good luck.